What's up, everybody? Short little video here. We are going to be installing a throttle body spacer from Rough Country on the XJ. Very nice. Cool. Throttle body spacer. Alright. Bag of hardware. Gaskets. Directions. We don't need these. Okay. Let's see here. First off, seriously, why would you need to take that apart? Oh, okay. So, you're gonna have bolt. These are gonna have these little spacers in it, I'm guessing. Those guys right there. You're gonna have one that goes here, and then one right here. I'm not sure where the third one goes, unless it's just an extra, which it could be. Nope, right here. So we're gonna get to taking that apart and get right back to you. Okay, so we've got our throttle linkage bracket out of the way with 3 10mm bolts. So now we're gonna unbolt the throttle body, unplug everything here. Up sensor, which probably has a locking crap on it, which a lot of them do. I've already loosened it, so alright, we'll worry about that in a minute. But yep, we're gonna go ahead and get this unbolted the rest of the way, and we'll get right back to you. Alright, so we're gonna lift that up out of the way, and you just want to make sure you clean off any leftover gasket. Make sure you have a clean, smooth mounting surface so your new gaskets seal properly. So that's the next step. It's not too bad. It's actually really clean in there. Wow. Heck yeah. Okay, so we're gonna try to pull this gasket up without getting anything in the motor. Right off. Okay. That's still a good gasket, but I mean, we're going to use the ones they sent. So, alright. So I want to take one of these and pop these little pieces out for the screws, or the bolts. I don't know why that thing was zoomed in. Just got those removed. So now basically just want to make sure we have a nice, smooth mounting surface. Clean as we can get it. And we'll take this guy right down there. We'll take this. Okay. Then we'll take our other gasket and we'll place it on there. and then put our throttle body back on. Spacers for the linkage, and we'll get to that here in a minute. Alright, so now we're grabbing our 4 6 by 50mm bolts and 6mm washers supplied to bolt down the throttle body. That's what we're going to do right now. Okay, we've got our throttle body bolted back down. She's on there snug. Go ahead and plug everything in. Maybe. Why are you being difficult? Thank you. That's good. Okay. Now we're going to do the spacers for the bracket here. Essentially, you're just going to take these spacers, and they're going to go here, back here, and then the one right down here. And it will bolt down using the 6 by 40mm supplied bolts and washers. So basically the same way, you'll put those all on there, that'll go back down, and you bolt it up. So that's about it, and we'll get back to you when we get that done. Alright, so we just got everything installed, everything's tight, good to go. Got our spacers down here, right here, and there's one more right back here behind the fuel rail, right there where that bolt is. But yeah, she's on and installed. Now we're just gonna throw our air box back on. Dropped my damn clamp that I cannot stand. Hate these things. Need to get some real ones. So we're gonna pop this on first. We're on all the way around. Good. Just give it a good tightening. Okay. Hopefully this will line up on there perfectly. Alright. Looks like it's gonna work. I was a little worried about that, but it's like it's holding. Alright. Let's fire her up. Alright. Good. I've started hearing an exhaust leak on here somewhere recently. Sounds like it's right here. Who knows? Hopefully that'll help us get a little bit better gas mileage. We will see. It's hard telling. You never know what you're going to get into with little bolt-on shit like that, so we'll see what it does. We'll make a report on it. Right now we've got 380 miles in this tank so far. It's pretty impressive. But I'll report back and see what we get, if there's any changes. But yep, that's how you install a throttle body spacer on a Jeep Cherokee 4-liter, or Wrangler with a 4-liter, or Grand Cherokee with a 4-liter. It even works in the 2.5. So yep, there you go. Please hit that like and subscribe button. and stay tuned for the next one. We'll see you.